In 2026, Ducati reaches a historic milestone: 100 years of performance, innovation, and racing heritage. And instead of celebrating quietly, they've chosen to push the limits once again. This is where the Ducati Superleggera V4 Centenario comes in. A machine built not just to commemorate the past, but to showcase the absolute peak of what Ducati can achieve today. At its core lies a completely reworked V4 engine. The new 1,103 cubic centimeter Stradale R unit delivers a staggering 224.9 horsepower in road-legal form and climbs to 243.6 horsepower when unleashed with the racing kit. But what truly defines this bike isn't just power. It's the insane balance between performance and weight. We're talking about just 173 kilograms in road trim, dropping to 167 kilograms in race configuration. Numbers like these put it in a league of its own, even compared to other high-end superbikes. Ducati has gone deep into engineering detail to make this possible. Inside the engine, lightweight components dominate. From titanium rods and bolts to a redesigned crankshaft using dense tungsten counterweights. Every gram has been carefully shaved off to improve response, acceleration, and overall efficiency. The result is an engine that feels sharper, spins faster, and reacts instantly to every throttle input. To complement that, Ducati has introduced a racing-inspired gearbox setup, designed to keep acceleration smooth and eliminate the risk of hitting neutral during aggressive downshifts. Something that can make a real difference when pushing hard on track. Surrounding the engine is a fully bespoke carbon fiber structure. The frame, subframe, and swing arm are all built using advanced carbon construction, allowing the engine to act as a structural element, just like in a MotoGP machine. This not only reduces weight, but also enhances rigidity and feedback. Even the suspension has been reimagined. With carbon fiber fork tubes and lighter internal components, the system is designed to deliver precision handling without adding unnecessary mass. When it comes to stopping power, this bike introduces something completely new to the road: carbon ceramic brake discs. Developed by Brembo, these oversized 340mm discs are lighter than traditional setups while improving heat resistance and reducing inertia. The result is sharper, more consistent braking under extreme conditions. Everything is then wrapped in a full carbon body, finished in a clean, racing-inspired livery that reflects Ducati's MotoGP DNA. It's not overly flashy, but every line serves a purpose. Exclusivity plays a huge role here. Only 500 units of the standard version will ever exist. And for a select few, Ducati is offering an even rarer tricolor edition. Just 100 bikes worldwide, featuring a distinctive Italian-themed design and collector-level detailing.